Okay, so I know that there is something in your life that you want bad. Maybe it's glowing skin, lose weight, start that business, whatever it is. You're probably on Pinterest pinning things. You're probably watching all these influencers on social media with their aesthetic morning routines, and you're just pinning and saving, but nothing in your life is actually changing. And I get it, because that used to be me until I started a 90-day glow up sprint. And that is what I'm going to show you how to do today, so your whole life can absolutely change just like it did for me. The first step in your 90-day glow up sprint is getting crystal clear on who you actually want to become. I'm talking, what does she look like? How does she feel when she wakes up? What do you want your life to actually look like day to day? For me, I wanted clear, glowing skin. I wanted to be confident and energized and feel good in my body. I wanted to be productive and organized and stop feeling like my life is passing me by. So I got specific. I wrote out my top 3 goals for the next 90 days. Just some examples for you. Maybe you want clear skin. Maybe you want to tone your body or lose weight, drink more water, wake up early, work out 3 to 5 times a week, declutter your space, romanticize your life, or become more confident. So just pick 1 to 3 glow up goals. You don't need to do it all. You just need to focus. And now that you know what your glow up looks like, it's time to build the plan. So let's say your goal is glowing skin. Your plan might look like this. Drink 64 ounces of water a day, drink green juice 3 times a week, create a AM and PM skincare routine, use a satin pillowcase and wash your pillowcases frequently. Take a walk outside every day to keep your stress levels down, or limit sugar and dairy. Now you create this list for each of your glow up goals. Then every Sunday or Saturday, whatever day you choose, you plan your week using that glow up checklist. Track it, check it off, and romanticize the whole thing so that you can stay consistent. The goal is to become her by daily habits, step by step, not all at once, but piece by piece, day by day. Now, this is where we don't just talk about it, but we actually do it. Here is how to stay consistent. Use the first hour of your day for your glow up routines. So that is your you time. Keep your environment glow up friendly. So keep the products that you need to stay consistent close by. So don't keep something in another room or in your car if you need it in the house. Keep the things that you need nice and close by so you can readily have them whenever you need it. Romanticize everything. Light a candle, journal, listen to affirmations, watch other YouTubers that have a aesthetic routine that you may like to enjoy. Sometimes I love, when I'm washing my hair, to watch my favorite YouTubers that have these really aesthetic routines, because it just makes me feel so luxurious while I'm washing my hair, which is a very daunting task, to say the least. And remember to dress cute, especially when it comes to working out. Putting on a really cute outfit makes all the difference in making you feel like it's something that you really want to do, even when you maybe don't. And track your progress. This is so important. And when you see the small wins add up, keep going. Stay consistent, stay on track. It takes some time, but in the end, you'll be blown away by who you can become in just 90 days. And if you fall off, just get back on. No shame, no issues, no starting over, just keep going. Your glow up is not about perfection, it's about transformation. And if you're serious about your glow up era, grab my free Pinterest to Dream Life guide. I'll have it in the description below so that you can grab it, and it's free to download. And it will help you start taking action on your goals today. We're not playing small this year. We're planning it, living it, and becoming her. Let's glow.